Hey Java enthusiasts! Welcome back to another deep dive into the world of Java programming. Today, I'm unlocking the secrets of the instanceOf operator in Java. This operator is a powerful tool that can make your code more dynamic and flexible. If you've been coding in Java, you've likely encountered this powerful keyword. But do you really understand its full potential? What exactly does it do, and how can you use it effectively to write cleaner, more efficient code? Let's dive in and explore the ins and outs of the instanceOf operator. First, let's break it down to its basics. The instanceOf operator is used to test whether an object is an instance of a specific class or interface. It's like a runtime type checker that helps you ensure your objects are of the expected type. Think of it as a way to check the type of an object at runtime, which can be incredibly useful in various scenarios. For example, you might have a variable of type object that actually holds a string. You can use instanceOf to confirm that and avoid potential class cast exception errors. This can be particularly handy when dealing with collections or APIs that return generic objects. You can use instanceOf to confirm that. Here's a quick syntax primer. You write the object followed by instanceOf, then the class or interface you're testing against. If the object is an instance of that class or interface, it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. This simple yet powerful feature can save you from a lot of runtime errors and make your code more robust. Let's look at an example to see how it works in practice. Suppose we have an object obj that holds a string. We can write Java if obj instance of string, system out println, this is a string. Simple, right? But here's where it gets interesting. InstanceOf also works with inheritance and interfaces. This means you can check not just for specific classes, but also for parent classes and implemented interfaces. If you have a subclass or an object that implements an interface, instanceOf can check those relationships too. For example, if you have a class animal and a class dog that extends animal, an instance of dog will return true for both instance of dog and instance of animal. This feature makes instanceOf incredibly versatile. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Overusing instanceOf can lead to messy code and violate the principles of polymorphism. Always consider if there's a more elegant solution before reaching for instanceOf. One common pitfall: forgetting to handle nulls. If your object is null, instanceOf will return false. So make sure to check for null values to avoid unexpected results. So, why use instanceOf at all? It's perfect for scenarios where you genuinely need to check an object's type, like implementing custom logic for different subclasses. Just use it wisely and sparingly to keep your code clean and maintainable. That's a wrap on the instanceOf operator in Java. I hope you found this breakdown helpful and that it enhances your coding skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Java tips and tricks. Happy coding!